90.7 WFAE Charlotte, 90.3 WFAG Hickory, 106.1 Laurinburg, 93.7 Southern Pines. We're live, we're local, we're Charlotte's NPR news source. Support this evening comes from WFAE members and Visit Winston-Salem, offering spring getaway trip ideas and itineraries to travel back to Winston-Salem, home to downtown dining, heirloom gardens, and 250 years of history. Details at visitwinstonsalem.com. An Aldersgate featuring hundreds of wooded acres, walking trails, and a spring-fed lake. More details about independent living at aldersgateliving.org.
Spring is a time of renewal, so if it's been a while since you last donated to this NPR station, take a moment to renew your membership. Here's how.
Call us at 704-549-9000 or go online at WFAE.org. Everyone who donates today will receive 10 entries into our $17,000 Lowe's Home Improvement gift card raffle.
From 90.7 WFAE, this is Charlotte Talks. I'm Mike Collins. The needless and unprovoked war in Ukraine is nothing short of a human tragedy, and Russia's Vladimir Putin's justification for starting this war sounds delusional to most of us. Are any of his concerns based in reality? We hear from a former State Department official, now senior fellow at the Brookings Institution Center on the United States and Europe, to get his take. And then we meet two Ukrainians living here in Charlotte to hear their stories about their country and the impact this war is having on their loved ones. Plus, a Charlottean who was performing with a Russian dance company in St. Petersburg who left quickly when this war began. This hour on Charlotte Talks. First, the news.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Jack Spear. President Biden has cleared the way for an
in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for central Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling in Gaston County. Catawba Creek in Gastonia has risen above flood stage of 9 feet and may rise as high as 11 feet. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area but will taper off through 8 p.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gastonia, Mount Holly, Belmont, Bessemer City, South Gastonia, Dallas, Stanley, Cramerton, Lowell, Randall, High Shoals, the Catonsville, Crowder's Mountain State Park, Lake Wiley, Crowder's and Lucia. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
In the past.
Okay, seriously, no cap. WFAE needs to fix their fucking audio levels. Oh my god, it's awful. It's awful, awful. Holy shit. That sounds terrible. Thanks, NPR.